Rooftop gardening. Riddhi was on her way to her grandparents' house. She loved visiting them. They used to live in a big bungalow with a big lawn in front and an equally big kitchen garden at the back. It was fun to run around and pluck flowers and vegetables. The food that her granny cooked was always so delicious. But this time, it was going to be different. After Riddhi's grandpa retired, they shifted to a flat. Riddhi wondered if she would see those flowers and vegetables again. The car stopped in front of a tall building. Her grandparents lived on the top floor. Riddhi ran into the welcoming arms of her granny. Next morning, Riddhi woke up early. Riddhi began to explore the new house. Soon, she made her way to the terrace. Riddhi was surprised to see all the greenery around her. Her granny was plucking some chilies. Riddhi was thrilled to see so many vegetables growing around her.
"Oh, I did not know you had a kitchen garden here too,"
she said. Excitedly, she started plucking tomatoes and curry leaves. Riddhi had never seen carrot plants before. She found out that they were root vegetables and grew underground. There were some bean and cucumber plants too. Riddhi's granny told her that they were climbers. They made the wall look green and beautiful. She said that vegetables like pumpkin were creepers. They cannot climb because they are heavy. Granny said. Riddhi was curious. She asked Granny why she grew her own vegetables and did not buy them from the market. Most of the time, I don't get fresh vegetables. These days, the vegetables at the market are often stale or grown with too many chemicals. So I grow my own rooftop garden. Riddhi was glad to learn so much about vegetables. Now she knew why the food Granny cooked was always so tasty. All the vegetables came straight from her rooftop garden, after all.